Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened Euro JPY pair. Just now I have plotted a resistance. Okay, we'll see whether we have any trend line level. Okay, let us check. Here no possibility. Here we have maximum touches, so I will prefer this level. So if you observe the reason here, let me go with buyers. I will explain you clearly. Okay, just now I have gone with buyers. Why? Because if you notice, the market is already, the trend line has been breakout and again it has been retested with a selling candle which forms a rejection. Later you got a buying candle. So maybe the market will reach to the next level. So for that reason only I am going with buyers. I will explain you one more time. Already the trend line has been breakout. The market again retested, which means two candles have been closed exact at the trend line in the top. So now already it has given us a signal that the buyers are interested in the form of a buying candle. Now you can easily go with buyers. So that's why I have gone with buyers. Up to when I can go with buyers? Up to the next level. Okay. So up to that area I will only try to go with buyers. Okay. Here we got a weak candle. Don't confuse, already the market is retested, so easily you can follow the buying candle only, and there is a confirmation that the market made a new high. So you can understand these points. Sometimes market will give you weak candles, which shows an indication that the market could reverse at any time. So try to understand these points. When the market is trying to make a strong candles, yeah, it's a momentum. But these kind of weak candles also form few 5 or 7 candles easily. But you should observe up to where it will reach. So try to observe those points. So maybe up to the next level, which is the next level, up to that area you can easily go with buyers. See here the market is trying to make buyers, but which have rejections, which have small bodies. What is the next candle? Again with margin of safety, because already you have been seen 3 candles which are weak comparing to the body. Wicks are stronger, wicks are longer. So easily you can go with buyers, but maintain margin of safety. Otherwise you may end up with losses. Because if you observe from the downside how strong the buyers are, continuously, gradually they are trying to increase their body size and the strength. But as of now, same scenario, but it is continuously getting weak. Maybe last candle is strong by body wise, but it was closed below the wick only. Try to observe those points. So whenever you are trading in the market, try to understand this kind of points. Okay. See, at last we got a weak buying candle. Okay, here I have a 50-50 chance. Here this candle is a red candle. Maybe the market will make a U-turn. Anyways, I will follow with buyers only if possible. Yes, because I have a doubt, because continuously it is weak. Maybe market could reverse here instantly. It's okay. If this is a red candle, it's okay. Maybe the market already break out the trend line. So that's why I am somewhat confused at these kind of areas. Because actually this kind of point we should wait. I suggest you to try to wait. So here why I am showing my losses means because every candle we can't trade. If we trade, the example is here. So that's why only I'm trying to trade with single trade only. That is not an issue. So you should wait here according to your mindset. We should wait. Okay. See here continuously the buyers are getting rejections. Finally it's shown a full weakness. So here we can wait, but it will be a selling candle, 50-50 chance. Now breakout reversal. Can we go with buyers? Oh, entry. Okay, I will do one thing. I will take a reversal trade above. I need a maximum entry because I don't have for buying trade. I will do one thing. Above the level I will easily go with sellers, because here already the market buyings are weak. The sellers are too strong. Here in the favor of rejection I could win this trade. And one more thing, in the downside the market again entered to the same area where previously trend line has been breakout. So up to that level maybe we can expect buyers, but below that can't. So we can win this trade easily because already the market has been respected previously. Again, it has been break down. So here we can win in the form of rejection. See. Now what is the next candle? Here easily I can go with sellers. 1 second, let me take trade first because already it's a strong selling area. And now again the market has been closed. Entry, again entry. 1 second, if I get an entry, I will take trade. Okay, it's too, okay, anyways, I will go with sellers here. Maybe if I lost because my entry point only. See how long the entry, because the candle is not getting me entry point, maybe from the strength, so that's why only. So anyways, here we can easily go with sellers. Why? Previously the market has been breakout, then again it has been reversed and came to the same area. And you can ask this question, already you have said the market has been retested, then why these all means? Yes, it has been retested, still the buyers didn't make any breakout. The buyers didn't show their enough power. They have again regained the same area where they have been started previous. Okay, so now again I will go with sellers with confidence because this will be a strong candle, because previous candle already given us a hint that the sellers are interested, which made a strong new low. So easily we can win this trade because left side there is no level also. So easily you can go with sellers. Maybe you are trying to understand the points. If you have really any doubts, you can message us in the Telegram. I will update you the doubts. If possible, take the screenshot of your doubt. See here, the levels, how you plot, the way you think. So that's why plot the levels perfectly. According to that only you can easily understand the market. According to that type of mindset you should adopt, because levels will be perfectly, then only you can understand the market easily. Okay. See here the strong sellers have been entered. Okay, finally, 1 second. Okay, finally we got win. Okay, what is the next candle? Let me zoom out. Okay, here I have a support level, right? Okay, here, okay, I will go with buyers here because it's a strong area. Already the market has been respected. So we are not in a momentum that it could break easily because it's a strong level. So easily you can expect a buying candle here. Let me highlight, see how strong the level is. So buying area, so easily we can expect a buying candle at least here. So whenever, if you observe, try to zoom out the chart because new levels, maybe previous levels which could be fine, and you can plot the levels according to that area. You can take trades. These are the retracement things. So try to observe, because we are trading in a 1 minute means we need to focus on retracements also, because we can't take a long run, right? So that's why minor also you should respect. Okay, here major 50-50 chances. Okay, strong candle, strong candle. Okay, I will go with buyers, maybe 1 or 2 retracements, right? Okay, if this is a selling candle, I will go with sellers. But if this is a buying candle, maybe after 2 retracements we can expect a down. Here this is the problem. When we are getting a horizontal levels, sometimes it will give 1 retracement, sometimes it will give 2 retracements. But according to the buying candle, it is not at all a weak candle. So that's why only I have gone with buyers. Maybe I could expect 2 retracements. If no, yeah, we'll continue to the sellers only, because after that it has been respected. Again, the market will continue to the downwards. So according to that only we can take trades. These are the, how we can say, sometimes 70% it will give 2 retracements, 30% it will give 1 retracement. We'll see which category we are today. I think we are at 30% category. Anyways, it's okay. As I mentioned, I will go with sellers confidently now. Why? Because you all know that the market is coming from a strong resistance, and in between you got a level. And even though the buyers are strong, still the sellers are interested, means yes, you can go with selling only. I think this is my last trade. So far you have taken so many trades. I think you have understand all the points. In the last I will show you my history and I will close the session. See here how strong the area is. Still we got 1 retracement. Okay, anyways, because in the previous candle the sellers are strong, the buyers are strong, but the Both the levels are also strong. Still the buyers have. See how complicated the area is. So that's why. Okay. Now the sellers easily we can enter here. See, finally the sellers have entered. Okay, let us show you my history. This is my history, you can check. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.